This is the 7th Avenue Sofa. It's soft, supportive, and modular. We put this sofa through our battery of performance test to assess sinkage, pressure relief, firmness, bounce, and more. While the sofa itself earned high marks for performance, it does require significant assembly. Is this setup difficulty worth it? Let's find out now. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. At Modern Castle, we test 8 different factors that impact the performance, build quality, and usability of the sofa. First, let's look at bounce performance. While sitting on the sofa, there was not a lot of bounce between our testers. Instead, when you first sit down, the cushions form to your butt and support every inch of your body to prevent bouncing back up. As you can see from our medicine ball drop, it has minimal vertical bounce after hitting the cushion. The 7th Avenue Modular Sofa has some sinkage to it, however, this isn't a bad thing. Since the model we tested had the extra deep seats, sinking into the cushions and back pillows is inevitable. The sinkage only added to the comfort the longer we lay on the couch. It wasn't so soft that we were absorbed into the cushions. In addition, it wasn't so firm that it felt like the ground. It was a perfect balance in my opinion. Pressure relief was excellent for the 7th Avenue Modular Sofa. No matter which way you lie or sit on the sofa, the cushions and pillow will mold around your body to give you maximum relief. The 7th Ave has a wooden base that offers the cushion, sidearms, and back paneling good support. The base keeps movement to a minimum as all of the panels, base, and seats are securely connected. This is one of the softer sofas we've tested to date, coming in with a 4 out of 10 on the firmness scale, where 10 is the most firm. From our lightest weight tester to our heaviest weight tester, the 7th Ave Modular Sofa was able to deliver identical softness no matter the weight. Assembly took significantly longer than anticipated. Instead of paper instructions that detail how to assemble the furniture, the 7th Avenue has links to videos on YouTube that go through the setup. This did lead to some confusion on parts and which ends connect. While assembling and connecting the base seats with the extensions, we required some force to get the pieces to connect. At several points during the assembly process, it required 3 people working together to press the pieces together before joining them with a screw. The design of the sofa is excellent for the owner to design a unique sofa that meets your needs. With all of the 7th Avenue sofas based on this universal design, there is no limit to the layout and design of your sectional. As we were assembling the sofa, we couldn't help but think of ideas and ways to rearrange the pieces to meet different needs. Let's talk through each of the pieces that come in the box. The legs are quite short for this sofa. There is little clearance between the couch and the flooring, almost giving you the appearance that the sofa is on the ground. Unfortunately, you won't be able to get a vacuum cleaning head underneath the sofa. The base has a wooden frame and is lightweight enough to move around. It has multiple connection points on all 4 sides, again offering the owner multiple design options for each piece. One of the main options, being the extension piece, makes a normal base seat into an extended deep seat. Be careful though, depending on which base seat you order, regular or extra deep, you will only receive a cushion cover for that size base seat. For example, if you decide a few months down the road to turn your regular seat into a deep seat and purchase the extension, both the cushion and cushion cover will not be big enough to fit the extension. The arms come in 2 different sizes, 39-inch for the regular size couch and 47-inch for the extra deep design. We reviewed the extra deep model, which requires the extra deep arms. With this sofa being modular, it came with the option to add the shorter arms and not make the extra deep version. The back of the 7th Avenue sofa has a lower design that hides the backboards below the pillows. In my opinion, this gives the sofa excellent lounging capabilities since the pillows can move and flex beyond the boundaries of the backboard. However, it does make it slightly uncomfortable if you are planning on sitting upright. Since there is a short back cushion, there's no support for upper parts of your back. For each base block that you order, the 7th Ave Modular Sofa comes with an extra plush pillow. They have convenient zippers on the bottom that make it easy to adjust for your desired comfort level. The pillows come with extra padding, which can be added to the pillows or back cushions to increase their firmness. Because the 7th Avenue sofa is modular, the total dimensions will vary depending on how many pieces you get and whether you get the standard or extra deep depth. On screen now is a table with the dimensions of an individual section. Shipping is an additional consideration when purchasing the 7th Ave. Shipping rates vary across the US from $99 to $200. Their warehouse is located in Los Angeles, California, and offers local delivery within 60 miles. For international shipping, you'll need to contact 7th Avenue directly for a shipping estimate. 7th Avenue offers a free 10-day return window with a 100% money-back guarantee. They ask that you keep the original packaging for the returned items. This is so they can send you labels and you won't need new shipping material. However, you will still need to pay the cost of return shipping. Additionally, they offer a free fabric exchange to change the color in the event you don't love the color you initially purchased. As a lounging sofa, the 7th Avenue created the perfect extra deep modular sofa that made even our testing staff not want to get up. Its deep seating, memory foam cushions, and solid build quality give the sofa the perfect level of comfort, support, and durability we look for. The only issue we took with the 7th Avenue was the setup. It took more time than anticipated and the instructions were a bit confusing. With that in mind, I would strongly recommend paying the extra for the white glove delivery setup. At the time of this video, the extra cost is just $100 to have professional setup. That is more than worth it given the complexity and difficulty we had with setting up this sofa. Overall, we found the 7th Avenue to be a fantastic sofa. It's super comfortable, looks great, and is clearly a well-built sofa. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments and questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the sofa, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.